Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining us. I'm Mark.
And I'm Kora.
And what are we going to draw today?
Today we're drawing My Melody from Hello Kitty.
Yeah, all you need is a sheet of paper, a black Sharpie, and
some markers.
That's right.
So let's get into it.
Please smash that like button right now and click the notification bell because I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss any one of them. We're going to draw like this round shape that's kind of like sideways, like this, in our page here. And we're going to stop at the bottom and leave that open. Okay, good. Then down here, let's do, on this side, we'll draw like this circle shape, and we want to leave space for two of them. Okay, and then right here, you can kind of connect and draw a second one, and just leave it open here. Yep, and then down here, let's continue like this, look, like that. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to just finish off here, make sure that's connected. And then we're going to go back into the face portion, and I'm going to do a shape for an eye like this. And I'm going to do one on the other side, and it's going up and down, the shape's up and down. And then inside of the eye, I'm going to do two small shapes. I'm going to do one circle and then a smaller one, and then I'm going to use my black Sharpie to kind of fill in the eye. And then I'll do the same on this side. I'll do a larger circle and then a smaller one. So we'll do that on both eyes. Okay, then right above these two hands, we're going to do a little circle like this. It's a little black circle in the middle there. Yep. And then right above, we're going to do the nose, but the nose is going to go sideways. Okay, so we'll just draw a shape like that. And we're not going to fill that in. That's going to be colored in.
Yeah, it's going to be yellow.
So over here, this shape here, I'm going to go like this and keep this going and stop right about there. And then on this side, right here, I'm going to have this kind of come out, and then it's going to go up like that. And we want this line to be almost like that. So we're going to go up like this and stop right there. So it's almost like if that was going to continue across. Okay. All right. So then we're going to go about halfway from these lines, so somewhere around here. Okay, and we're going to draw a shape that comes up, and then it's going to hook down, and it's going to come into that other line like that. Yeah, and if you're off, yeah, you just continue it. Okay, then I'm going to do this little line that goes over to the left a little bit. Okay, now before I finish the other ear shape, I'm going to do this little flower over here. So I'm going to do 4 petals. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then in the middle, we can do a circle shape in the middle. Okay, then what we can do is see how wide this is. We're going to try to do the same over here. So we're going to start up here. Okay, now I'm going to do like this shape right here. So we're going to come up, and then we're just going to go down, and wherever it ends in the flower, it ends. Yep, there you go. Perfect. Nice. I like that. Now let's go down and work our way down. So let's start on this right hand. Okay, so we're going to start over here, and we're going to do a curve like this to the right. Okay, then we're going to go from here, and we're going to draw a line that goes up to the face. Yep, just like that. Then we're going to come, see the curve of the arm? We're going to just keep this going, and it's going to kind of come up like that. And then we're just going to have that go into the body.
It's the little cape.
Yeah, the cape, yep. Okay, now we're going to do the other side. So right where this arm is right here, this hand is, we're going to come down to the right a little bit. And then we're going to go up at an angle. Just a little. Yeah, that's okay. And then we're going to draw a line from right in the middle of this shape. So starting like right about there. We're going to come down. This will be like the belly. Okay, so we're going to come over to the left and down. So we're going to come like this and down like that. Yep. Okay, now let's finish up here where the arm is. So then we can go from where this arm is right here and just curve that down. So that'll be kind of like the same curve as this one over here. Yep, there you go. Okay, now we have the belly, so then we can come down a little bit. Okay, and now let's draw the back shape. Okay, so what we want to do here is we're going to come inside of this jacket just a little bit. We're going to go over to the right, and then we're going to bend. That's where the tail is going to be. And then see where this line is, this ending here? You're going to want to kind of end right about there. So we're going to watch how this kind of squiggles a little bit. So we're going to come down and then squiggle a little bit. Yep. Okay. Let's go back to this foot here, and then we're going to draw a shape like this. And we'll extend that just a little bit. And then we're going to do a second one. So we're going to follow this height here. We're going to come where that is. We're going to start right about here. We'll do another one like this. And then this is going to come like this. So you're going to extend that line, have like a little bump in it. And then right where this is, we're going to join those. But we want to do a rounded heel. So we're going to curve that and come up. Curve that and come up. There you go. Perfect. And then right where this toe is, we're going to draw, see this little line here? We're going to go where the toe is and just draw a little line up like that. And mine's not connected, so I'll just connect that there. And then we'll do the little bunny's tail. So we'll go and draw a round shape like this over there. And that's it, right? How does that look? You like it? That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks really cute.
Yeah, that looks really good. All right, so the next step is to color this in. So grab yourself some markers and let's start coloring in. All right, guys, well, we just finished drawing our My Melody. What do you think, Kora?
I think it looks really cute.
Yeah, it does. Turned out really awesome. I hope yours did too. Please like the video and
Subscribe.
subscribe to our channel because I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss the next one. We'll see you then. Bye.